Assalamualaikum, I'm Sajid from Web Explore. Today I will show you some scrolling logo with band logo. Just smoothly scroll from there, and today's video is too much easy for you. And just go to premium section, like scrolling our here we can insert some logo, brand logo, and it's scrolling from left to right, and it's smoothly. But some of time we are facing problem. It's Elementor is not smooth effect. So just go to editor, and I will show you how you can edit. First of all, we go to here and just remove that and search here image carousel, just drag and drop and upload some logo. I will create a logo and just upload here, waiting for uploading complete, and create a new gallery. Insert gallery. Here we show all our images or logo, brand logo. Just here we are select 8 of them. Then I can't show any arrows. Just here, and here is the main part. Here is one by one scrolling, so I don't need. I will give him 3000, and it means 3 seconds, and here is give him 0. And here advanced tab, and go to custom css and paste it that code. I will insert that code in my video description. Then just boom, see our logo is smoothly transit. So that section is go to box. I will give it full width and just publish. Just here I refresh it, and see our moving brand logo is smoothly transition, and it's like pro. So that's it. If you need that types of video, you can comment below and thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.